Hello everyone, we're from Group 1. We want to explain about computer organization. The members are Aisyah Saraswati, Andi Muhammad Abimanyu A, Annisa Saraswati, Ariel Banjarnahor, and Audrey Sheyona S. Computer organization. Computer organization is a part that is closely related to operational units and interconnections between components that make up a computer system in realizing its architectural aspects.
Computer organization. Data or instructions that are processed by a computer system in the process phase of the input, process, output, and storage model are processed by the central processing unit, or as we call CPU. The computer central processing unit, or as we call CPU, is the portion of a computer that retrieves and executes instruction. The CPU is essentially the brain of a CAD system. It consists of an arithmetic and logic unit, a control unit, and previous register. The CPU is often simply referred to as the processor. The CPU contains four main parts. The first part is control unit, the second part is arithmetic logic unit, the third part memory address register, and the last one memory data register.
Control unit. This control unit is part of the CPU that functions to manage a program in the computer. One of the tasks of this control unit is to retrieve instructions from the main memory and determine the type of instruction to be given from the main memory. Arithmetic logic unit. The arithmetic logic unit, or ELU, is where the CPU performs the arithmetic and logic operations. Every text that your computer carries out is completed here. Even typing into a word processor involves adding binary digits to the file, and then calculating which pixel on the screen should change so that you can see the character. ALU has function. The function is perform a process of data in the form of numbers and logic, such as mathematical and statistical data.
Memory address register, MAR, or memory address register, or register indicating memory address, is a register that holds data or instruction in the main memory to be accessed. Whether it is to be retrieved or to be stored or written, MAR works as a component ordered by the AR and control units to find and accommodate data and instruction in a main memory. Memory data register, MDR, or a memory data register, or can also be called MBR, or memory buffer register, is memory to accommodate data or instructions sent from main memory or accommodate data to be recorded to the main memory resulting from CPU processing. MBR plays a role in the process of accessing memory, namely in the process of reading or writing from or to memory.
Next is the diagram between control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and the memory unit. As we can see, there is a relationship between CPU, memory, and the register. The relationship between CPU, register, and memory is the relationship in the process of data processing is that the CPU, register, and memory provide one synchronization or process in the processing of data. With the CPU that serves as the brain or core part of the computer and registers as a temporary data storage in the CPU during the execution process, which is then forwarded to memory as the data storage media. I think that's all from group 1. I'm sorry if we made a mistake. Thank you for the attention.